We'll guide you through how to manage Vercel teams effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. Look at the left sidebar and search for Teams option. This will take you to the Teams Management page where you can see all the teams you are part of. If you want to create a new team, click on the Create Team button, usually located at the top right. You'll be prompted to enter a team name and assign a team slug, which is a unique identifier for your team. After filling these out, click Create to set up your new team. To manage an existing team, simply click on the team name from your list. Here, you can invite new members by entering their email addresses and assigning them roles like owner, member, or guest. Make sure you choose the right permissions for each role to control what they can access and modify. You can also manage team settings by clicking on the Settings tab within your chosen team. This is where you can update billing information, set environment variables, and manage domains associated with your projects. If you need to remove a member, go to the Members tab, find the person you want to remove, and click on the Remove button next to their name. Remember, only owners and members with the appropriate permissions can make these changes. Regularly review and update your team settings to ensure everything is running smoothly. This helps keep your projects organized and ensures everyone has the access they need. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.